Hi everyone, this is Mallika Boobna and welcome to my house. This is my house tour. Let's get started. Let's unlock this. Safety first. So this is the entrance, and as you come in, this is a storage box I'm not gonna dare to open, but this is just a very normal division. This is where I keep my medicines. This is where I keep the hotel menu because I live in a hotel, so it's very handy to keep the menu here. Right here, you guys, one very interesting fact. So this is a mirror switch. If I turn this on and if I go inside the bathroom, and yes, this is my editing cam. If I take a hot shower, all of this condenses, right? But with that switch, this will be as clear as it is right now, which I think is very, very cool. Continue to the video. And here I just like drop in my keys whenever I enter. The first thing I do is just like drop them in, which is just perfect with some mint, sanitizer, candle, good stuff. As soon as you enter, you see the bathroom. That's how it looks. It's quite spacious. You can come on in. So yeah, now we're in the bathroom. Just very, very, very quickly. This is something I keep right beside my wash basin. So this is all my jewelry. And as you can tell, I love high-end fashion jewelry. And somebody taught me that this is the first thing you take off and the last thing you wear. So whenever I come home, this is the first thing I take off and just put it right here so it doesn't get with water or whatever, good stuff. My, what's it called? Glasses, perfume, the clip, the lenses, all important stuff right here. This is face towels, very important. I do not use any other towels to wash my face. I'm very particular with the pimple part of it. Very quickly, all of these are from Zara Home. So all of this basket where I keep my towels, this thing, these baskets, they're all from Zara Home. Let's get out of the bathroom. I think that's enough. And then, this is a very small space, but I've tried to fit in a lot of my stuff because I'm a big hoarder, you guys. So this is my shoe cabinet. It's basically a bookcase with this filled with shoes. And yeah, it's a lot of shoes, I'm not gonna lie. Do not wear most of them, but I love all of them too close to my heart. My favorite one is this, which I've worn like 2 times in my life. Very expensive. But look at it, how beautiful. So like keep it right here, along with many others. So, and very fun fact about me, it's very weird as well. I keep my socks in here, which is very convenient because the, what's it called? Shoe bench is right here. So I just take my socks and just like, you know, wear it right here, which is very convenient. People find it very weird, but whatever. And then you walk in, and I've dimmed the lights a bit. The beautiful part about this house is you can make it go brighter or dim it, and like dim it right now. And I've lighted some candles for you guys. This is my bedside table, so like tissue, candle, relaxing stuff. This is the beautiful couch and very comfortable. This is the throw, so I got most of the stuff from IKEA. The house did not come like this, as you have seen from the previous video I posted. But this is the throw. If you get cold, you just like take the throw and like relax. A lot of plants because I'm in a Dutch and I can take care of plants, and that's why plants. This is the Juliet Balcony with amazing view. There we go. That's the view. Love it. It's one fun fact about me. I think whenever I feel sad or I have like a bad day or like a low day, I open the balcony, I just stand here and look outside and remind myself that I'm living my dream and I live in London, and that just makes me happy. So love the view, love the balcony, love the fresh air, but it's getting very chilly, so we're gonna close it right after. Plants everywhere. Meet this beauty. This is Valentina. She just chills and does nothing else in her life, and that's basically what she does. My guitar's right there. Fun fact, I try to play guitar, try being the keyword. And you see there are boxes right here which just has, do not zoom in too much, which just has miscellaneous stuff. They're all from IKEA, and it has extra blankets, extra pillows, books and stuff. Because this is my bookcase, but I use the extra shelves from the bookcase to make my shoe cabinet. So now we don't have any shelves. So again, plants, tripod everywhere. This is some IKEA stuff. Iron, like all that household stuff, very boring, not gonna get into it. This is my ow, be careful Mallika. This is my entertainment trolley, you guys. Plants, because we can never have enough of the money plant. And then We have all kinds of alcohol in there. You have vodka, scotch, Baileys, wine, prosecco, good stuff, you all. We have some beer, some cider underneath, tripod, and then we have drinking games. So it's basically an entertainment trolley, which says right here until my friends show up at my door. We have the TV, boring stuff. This is my favorite candle, justifies the mood. It's called Big Mood. Stays right here again. I use all my boxes to keep medicines. So again, medicines, because we fall sick very quick and that's not good. This is something I got from IKEA as well. The house did not come with a lot of storage, so I had to like get a lot of my own storage. I am an Indian. It's very important to have a god here. So meet Ganesha. Ganesha says right there. We have flowers, we have plants, and these boxes are again filled with just a lot of junk we do not want to get into. So let's move on. This is my favorite part of the house. Okay, second favorite after my clothes, but it's a favorite part of my house. This is my study table. I love to just sit here, see this beautiful view. The view is outstanding. I have a plant right here with me, so I'm not alone. And then this is my study space. This is my coaster and keeps my phone right here, my laptop, my desktop, a lot of unpaid bills, and my purse. Moving on. So this is the kitchen, you all. Starting with this beautiful thing right here. A lot of stuff again from IKEA. I fill in this thing with water so I can just like take water whenever I want to. And when I'm throwing a party, this is filled with cocktails. So yeah, very important. Kitchen cleaning stuff, my water, kitchen stuff throughout, kitchen stuff, we're not gonna get into it. My coffee machine, my hot water machine, toaster, all that boring stuff. I am adulting, you guys, and you know you're getting old when you get excited about your plates and your utensils. I love my plates. I chose them myself. They all coordinate with my bowls and they're just very, very pretty, and they go with my gold cutlery. So just like stupid stuff like homeware. And yeah, that is the kitchen door, oven, basic stuff. If you want to know what is inside my fridge is right here. One exciting thing about my fridge, which I love because I love iced coffee, iced drinks in general, it has an ice making machine embedded inside. So that's like roti, because I'm an Indian and you just like need to heat up rotis. But it automatically has ice, guys. Whenever I'm out of ice, it automatically fills the entire thing with ice, which I think is very, very cool. One important thing which I love to show off about my kitchen was I got it like with a lot of love. These containers. So this is filled with, I do not drink a lot of tea. I do not drink anything hot as much. But this is chamomile. I really like this. So this is in one jar. I'm a big bubble tea fan. So we have bubble tea, breakfast tea here, and I can make bubble tea with these. And then look at how beautiful this jar looks. I love cereal, so I fill this with cereal. Look just how beautiful it is. Love these things. And then we have some cheese and crackers because your girl loves wine and cheese. And then we have popcorn and just miscellaneous stuff. And I could not fit in alcohol in my entertaining tray anymore, so I had more alcohol put in the bag. But yeah, that's it about the kitchen, you guys. Let's move on. Last stop, we are back and we're back in my room. Let's go. So that is the room, you all. What do we think? The bed's very comfortable. So that's where I sleep. I have a laundry basket right there because I'm a very lazy person. Whenever I come in and I have to like take something off, that's where it goes. So because there's no space to dirty the room and make a mess. If you come right here, this is a foldable thing, tray. So whenever I feel like I have to pamper myself, I make my own breakfast because I live alone. And then I put it here and then I have breakfast in bed, whatever you call it, and I feel very nice about it. This is something I'm very, very, very proud of because I built this with my own hands yesterday. This entire thing, you guys, look how pretty it is. This is my makeup vanity. Beautiful lights. They turn and they change colors. I do not think it's on. Is it on? Let's show you. White, down, another light, and it's off, which I think is very, very cool. I love it. That's my mom and dad. Mom and dad say hi. They say hi to the camera. And yeah, that is my makeup vanity. This is the stool with the fur. You have seen a lot of fur in the house. We love fur. I'm getting a higher stool, but that's gonna come in later. Tomorrow's problem. A bin. We need a bin. This, the most awaited section, you guys. That's where I keep all my clothes. This is my wardrobe, and if you want a closer peek into my wardrobe, tell me in the comments so I can give you a closer peek. But right now I'm not gonna show you much, except let me see how good or bad it is. It's not that bad. I'll show you some things, and the rest you have to comment if you wanna see my entire wardrobe and my favorite pieces. So that's the first one, and there are drawers and stuff, but that's where I keep all my expensive dresses like these. So expensive stuff, jeans, jeans and jeans and jeans and jeans. Do not judge, it's just pants and we love pants. So that's just one part of it. You're gonna see the rest of it and in detail, comment. But yeah, that is my, oh my god, are you okay? My cameraman. So yeah, guys, that is my room, and I think that concludes our house tour. I'm gonna put a montage right here without me talking so much so you can just enjoy the house and not me. But yeah, that is my house. Thank you so much for coming along with me. And if you want to see any separate section in detail, comment below and I will see you next time. Much love. Bye!